Okay, recording is rolling. Today's Monday, April 4. You guys just turned in your review quiz for units 4 and 5, so thank you for that. Get that graded soon. So we're going to take a next couple weeks to hit some topics that either you wouldn't normally be exposed to taking AP Physics or bumped, and then we'll go back to review stuff. So here's how this week's going to turn out. Thermodynamics, materials, nuclear and civil engineering. My honors classes, I took several weeks to cover these topics. I'm going to crunch this down to 3 days for you guys. And then last couple days this week and also next week, I want to take to do electricity and circuits. Up until just a couple years back, this used to be on the AP1 exam, but it's not anymore. But I do want you guys to be exposed to that and have enough exposure in at least a few days to be able to navigate circuits. Yeah, thank you. All right, so that is the plan. Really switch the screen over. Oh, let me this here. I know they turn off the bells, so all right, got you here. All right, good here. All right. See my sharing screen too. All right, let me show you guys some stuff on AP Classroom because you guys know that the exams on Thursday, May 12th for this class for AP Physics. That's about 5 weeks from now. Right, so you guys got 5 weeks. So let's look at an AP Classroom. I uploaded a bunch of resources. Well, here's these AP daily videos. These have been there here the whole time. Don't want you guys to forget that those are there. So if you're starting to go into review mode for all your classes, think like what resources are out there to study. Well, here's some of them, right? You guys got all these review videos organized by unit, so you can go check those. Let's see. Active assignments. All right, for this class. All right. You guys remember I've been assigning all the part Bs for the review the last few weeks. Now, Unit 6 does not have a part B. Unit 6 was simple harmonic motion, probably because it's a pretty small section, simple harmonic motion. But we'll review it anyway. But there's a part B to Unit 7. Now, Unit 7 was a pretty big unit. That was a rotational dynamics. You guys remember that? Hold on, go back. This is good. Oh no. All right, so I did throw due date up here. I might end up bumping that back, but I will have you guys end up doing this. So it'll be due probably a few weeks from now. I also dug up a bunch of old assignments that I had put together based on a bunch of old AP questions and found some other resources and uploaded those too, or open them up. So there's a couple of practice exams. You guys see practice exam 1, multiple choice. Practice exam 1 free response, then practice exam 2 multiple choice and free response. About some of these other ones, scroll down the bottom, go up here. I found a couple of old kinematic multiple choice questions that I put together before. Open those up for you guys. Momentum, dynamics. That's like forces, like Unit 2. Okay, so kinematic was like Unit 1. Dynamics was Unit 2. Momentum was like Unit 5 that we just looked at. Energy conservation. There's your Unit 4 stuff. Gravitation and rotation. Now, like I was saying, I dig these up from the past. I used to organize this class a little bit differently. Gravitation is kind of a Unit 3 section. Rotation is split between Unit 3 and Unit 7, so there might be a little bit of each one of those in there. But hey, either way, it's some extra questions. I've got some FRQs, different kinds of FRQs uploaded. Did some extra review collection questions. I think this was in preparation for the midterm at one point. Right? And then simple harmonic motion and waves. Now, waves, what used to be section 10 in that Unit 10, but that got bumped. So there's just a mix because I just teach those sections together anyway. So a little bit of each one. This little red exclamation means that there's Unit 10 questions that are no longer asked based on waves, but there are also harmonic motion questions in there. But those units are pretty closely linked anyway. So yeah. All right. So there's all these resources. You guys know you have 5 weeks until the exam. So yeah, there you go. Those are available for you. And the one that's of course going to be an assignment due in a few weeks is Unit 7 Part B progress check. All right. So let's put that aside. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah. Due dates. All right. So the only one that actually has a due date tag to it is Unit 7 Part B. The due date I have right now is 4/22. I might end up pushing that back when we get closer to that date, but right now that's the tentative date. All these other assignments are not going to be due. I put the due date as 5/13, which is the day after the exam. So they're just open, they're available for your own use. I mean, this is a college level class and you guys are transitioning about to go to college. So it's kind of up to you, how you manage your time and how much you study and input. And I mean, all these resources are here for you. And, between this class and the other classes, what you have to juggle and what your schedule is going to look like. But yeah, all these resources are here available, and just pointing that out to you guys. Okay. All right, I'll switch over and